guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you are doing great. If you guys are wondering where I am, let me tell you that if you haven't watched the Yadi vlog, please watch it so that you get an idea what exactly is happening. So today we are going to a temple for some puja and I'll be filming a little of everything because it's like a 10 days of marriage. Few events are here in the village and few in Belgaum, and I'll be uploading all the events in series so it's easy for you guys to watch and understand. Yeah, if you guys are interested to know how a South Indian wedding takes place, then please keep on watching. Hi. Hi. Papa Masi, say hi. Hi. Chandra, say hi. Hi. Say hi. Oh, say hi. Ride. Guys, see, the bride is yawning.
She's tired already before the wedding.
Hello. We came here, a temple, somewhere on the earth, with my cousins and with my
Zoom them. Zoom. Oh, ಏನ್ರಿ random park na
ಹುಡುಗರು couple. Hey besties, we came back from the temple around 8:30ish, had our dinner around 9:30, and I got changed into my PJs. It's around 11 and we are baking a cake for my maasi because it's her birthday tomorrow. My cousin is going to bake and I'm just going to show you how we bake the cake. So let's just go and bake the cake.
Hi guys, so today we are baking a cake using the usual ingredients but with a twist, which is that we'll be making it in a microwave and just for 4 or 5 minutes max.
So for that we'll be needing vanilla essence, maida, which is all-purpose flour, milk, melted butter, sugar, curd, and baking soda.
The last ingredient that we need is actually baking powder, but unfortunately we didn't have that. So we'll be using a replacement. So replacement for baking powder is a 3/4 teaspoon of baking soda and 1/3 teaspoon of lemon juice.
I will start off with maida first.
Make sure to sieve the maida so that no lumps are caused when we mix the ingredients at the end.
Next we're gonna add the sugar. We're gonna try to make it like the dry ingredients first and then the wet ingredients, so it becomes easier to mix. I'm adding the vanilla essence, which is all the wet ingredients. This is curd. Last the butter.
Now we're going to mix all the ingredients together slowly and not beat it, but mix it very slowly so not a lot of air goes into the mixture. So now we're going to take this baking tin and put melted butter to the base of it and the sides of it. And we are doing this because when we are removing the cake, it comes out smoothly. We are also going to add maida to it so it's a little dry as well, and which will also help in the cake to come out smoothly and clean. So here is the bowl in which we mixed all our ingredients. Now we just have to pour this mixture into our baking tin.
Now we're going to put this in the microwave for 3 minutes.
Sorry, we forgot to take the video of us making this ganache. It's not exactly a ganache because what we did was we took out the cream from the bourbon biscuits that we have and added milk to it, and we just melted it together and mixed it and made it into a liquid form, so which we can pour it on top of the cake.
And now we are going to take out the cake from the mold. So first you make sure you take a knife and you loosen the edges of the cake, Guys, also one more thing.
The original recipe that I saw asked us to put the cake in the microwave just for 3 minutes, but because of the microwave being different and the settings being different, I had to put it for more than 4 to 5 minutes. So make sure you check your settings as well and put it in for longer or lesser time.
Now we take our chocolate sauce that we made out of the cream and the bourbon biscuit and just pour all over it. You can decorate it however you want. Or you can spread it evenly. I mean, you can decorate it however you want. I'm going to go with spreading it. Now we're going to take some gems. Decorate it a little more.
Guys, finally we are done with the baking and this is how our cake has turned out to. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday dear Papu Maasi. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday dear Papu Maasi. Happy birthday to you. Besties, so it's the next day. Today is my maasi's birthday and we are at the farmhouse. We are going to celebrate her birthday. Yeah, it's around 7:30ish and I'll film the entire thing. And the fit I'm wearing today is, let me just show you guys. Please ignore the background, guys. I'm wearing this black anarkali. It's like anarkali. And I'm wearing this oxidized jhumkis. Also wearing this watch. Sorry for the background noise because they are all my cousins and all the guests.